Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is going to be a bit of a different video. Hopefully I'll be able to make a series on this. This is going to be a how to draw series. And so, hold on. Get out of here, bugs. What I want to show you is how to draw a microwave today. So first, you want to draw a rectangle. Like that. Then, you want to draw a line. And I'm going to draw the type of microwave I have. Technical difficulties, please stand by. Alright, I'm back. And next, what you want to do, you want to draw the little glass thing that goes like on the door of the microwave. Then, draw the little screen. There. The little digital timer. Then you want to draw the buttons. And you need 9 buttons. Actually, no, you need more than that. Stop and start. It needs to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So far the microwave's coming along good. Then you need to draw some little legs that the microwave stands on. Your microwave's almost up. Now, you need to draw some stuff inside the microwave. And then you want to draw the little mesh plating. I'm not the best at drawing household appliances. I'm just not the best at drawing, honestly. Looks like the American flag for some reason. Anyway, now you want to draw the logo or the brand for your microwave. So, I'll bet you cannot guess what brand my microwave is from. And boom! So, there is the logo. This is actually what my microwave's brand is from. It's owned by Magic Chef. And this actually looks like my real microwave. So, I think that's a really nice looking drawing. And if you want to take it a step further, you can draw a little kitchen. So draw a little counter. So I'm going to draw kind of the fridge I have. So boom, there's the fridge. But there's some parts missing. There's all sorts of magnets and stuff. There's even a magnet that looks like a key. You guys probably can't see it. Boom. You also need I'm just gonna cut ahead. Oh God. I tried to draw an oven and it looks awful. I need to regenerate my drawing skills. So, I got a magic hot dog. That's better. Boom. Oh, don't talk with your mouth full. That's disgusting. And then you need some appliances. So boom, boom, boom. So boom. Toaster. And that's another video complete. We need you to like and subscribe for new videos. Goodbye. Also, disclaimer. I'm going to be uploading a new series onto YouTube. It's called the Roblox City Roleplay series. And it'll be found, and it'll happen in a Roblox game I'm working on called Roblox City Roleplay. If you want to possibly be in one of those roleplay videos, join the game. I'll be uploading those series videos once or twice every month once the game comes out. And after I get a script done, I'll be recording a Roblox City Roleplay episode twice a month. Anyway, for real though, bye! I love you!